Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye, and welcome to my channel. I have a Dooney Bourke unboxing today. Can you see what it is? Let's find out. Okay, y'all, so we're starting with this one. And you all may recognize this bag because I did a new colors video with a shop with me at Dillard's. It had to have been, sorry about the bag noise, it had to have been about at least 2 or 3 months ago, I believe. And I'll try to link the video in the description or tag it or pin it in the comments. But y'all, I first saw this bag at Dillard's and I was surprised to see it. Surprised to see the color, especially in the silhouette as well. But this bag is a Tasha drawstring in the color coral. So, again, I was excited to see the color and the silhouette, and there are other silhouettes, and I also have the same color in the small Celeste satchel also. So even when I got the small Celeste and I got it from the ILD site, I was waiting for this one, y'all, to reach the ILD site. The Dillards that actually carried this bag, they never put it on sale. They kept saying, well, check back and check back. So I kept checking. Like, I refused to pay retail price for this bag at Dillard's, and knowing kind of how Dooney Bourke had already put the small Celeste on their website. So I was waiting, y'all. I wanted to get it directly from Dooney and Bourke. So when I saw it pop up on the ILD site, I was excited. As I mentioned with the small Celeste, I also already have the large zip, I believe it's a large zip wristlet. It's a large wristlet, so I will share that here in a moment. But just to get a better close-up of this one, and I will also do it without the additional light. That probably is a truer view of the color. Now the DB itself, it kind of looks like it's olive, but I believe it's closer to the same color of the trim, the leather trim itself. So more of a close-up without the additional lighting, and then I'll go ahead and cut the additional lighting back on. So this coral, y'all, it is so pretty. It's definitely, the bag itself is a pop. I mean, no pop of color needed other than this bag. So if you do have on a darker outfit, it will definitely complement it. So if you all haven't seen a Tasha drawstring bag before, it does have a wide base on it, and I will do brief measurements. It has a braided leather strap as well. It's not adjustable, so that's the trade-off, so to speak. You have a pretty braided leather strap, but you cannot adjust it. But you can kind of adjust the I guess, the drop a little bit here on the sides if you like. So you do have that option. So I am going to go inside, and you see these beautiful tassels on the drawstring. And as always, y'all know what I'm looking for on the inside. And if you are watching and you like what you see so far and you are not subscribed, feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are made aware each time I upload a video. And thank you all so much for returning subscribers and viewers. I really do appreciate it. And welcome to all my new subscribers as well. I definitely appreciate you as well. Everybody. I'm not excluding anyone. Okay, y'all. So this is the key keeper that's coming out. I do see the good old Dooney Bourke authentication label stitched here inside. You see the signature red Dooney Bourke interior. The back zipper here. It is, to me, it's a little narrow, but I do understand since it's a drawstring, it has to be able to cinch in once you pull the drawstring. But it does have the registration card here and a full slip pocket. The slip pocket is actually wider than the zipper. I don't know if you all can see that. So the slip pocket, it starts over here, and the zipper itself kind of is centered between or in the middle of the slip pocket. On the front, so that's on the back. On the front of the bag, it does have two slip pockets, one bigger than the other. So beautiful bag, beautiful color. I'm glad to have added it to my collection. I will show you or do a side-by-side with this bag and my small Celeste that I mentioned. And y'all, I was trying to think of a way to alter this bag because I really do prefer to have hardware on my handles. So I'm glad that I did not. Since I do have the Tasha drawstring in this same print and color now, y'all, I actually may part ways with the Celeste because I have not carried it. And I do have the accessories that I'm going to use with the Tasha drawstring. But this particular bag, I don't think I'm going to carry it. So I will see for sure. But I have a feeling that I am going to part ways with it. So that's the Celeste itself. And I might as well just put everything together here before I move on to the next item that I'm going to unwrap. This is the large. Let me see if it has a description here because I really forgot. It's a Blakely. This is a Blakely too because it does have the lighter color trim, leather trim. So I believe it's just called a large zip wristlet. It's not a zip around like the actual wallet, but I believe it's just a large zip wristlet. So this is what I initially got with the Celeste to match. The Celeste was actually, this was a kind of difficult to get inside of the Celeste. So there's surely going to be no problem to get it inside of the Tasha. Very easily drops in there. So even with this empty, it was with the opening of the Celeste, it was a little bit of difficulty getting it in there. But I did get also get a large zip around wristlet wallet in coral to go with the Celeste. So it was easier to fit inside. But it's going to go with the Tasha now. Now the coral large zip around wallet or wristlet, the strap is not in the Blakely tan color as this is with the, and this is a good example of the differences when you do get an actual Blakely, whether it says Blakely or it says Gretta. So the print itself could be the same on the bags, but if it says Blakely, the leather is going to be more of a lighter tan color. If it says just Gretta and it doesn't say Blakely, then the trim itself is going to be the darker brown leather. But this is a large zip around pebble grain wallet wristlet in the color coral. So that also goes with this as well. And then my other coral piece is a kiss lock or large frame coin purse in that same color. So that's going to be my new coral set. I'm not sure if I'm going to carry that for the fall or winter. I'm not sure yet. It definitely would not hurt to. Coral is, this particular shade to me, it's kind of close to pink. So I may carry it for Pinktober, for during the month of October for breast cancer awareness. So I may throw this one in there instead of trying to wait until the spring for it. So we'll see, but I think that's surely a pretty set to have. So I'll actually just put these here on the inside for now. Move the Celeste out of the way, and we can go ahead and open the next item as a part of the unboxing. And as you do know, with coated cotton, it does not come with a drawstring bag because it's not an all leather bag. So, my next one here is the other color, you all. So I could not choose. When I initially saw both of these in the store, I couldn't really choose. I was glad to see both. But when IOD posted them and they were not retail priced, I was glad to get two for less than the retail price, if you can do the math on that. So I think that was a good deal. Two for less than one. So to me, it was absolutely worth the wait. But this particular color is red. So this is the red version in the Blakely. Same silhouette, same interior, so I don't have to really go too much in detail about the interior of this one. Same setup, just a different color exterior. And you see here it does have the color red listed. So I will take off the wrapping from it, as well as the strap or handle. So everything, again, same colors, and I'll put them side by side so you can see the differences of them. But this is absolutely a darker color. It's a very pretty red. To me, it's not a bright red. So I won't fully unstuff it. Like I said, it's the same interior setup. Handle, strap, everything is the same. So I'll fully unwrap it, but I won't unstuff it. It's like I need to cut this one. But comment you all and let me know if this was a color that you all grabbed, or should I say print, the Blakely, either the coral or the red. Were you all able to grab any, whether it was an accessory or the bag itself? It looks like they did add some more accessories in this color. At first it was just the large wristlet only, but I believe they added like a smaller, it wasn't a continental, it could have been like a cell phone wristlet or something like that. I'm pretty sure I did see that. I have not seen like a kiss lock or large frame coin purse as of yet, but I wouldn't be surprised to see that in the weeks to come or months to come as well. So not sure how much longer this particular color, or should I say colors, with this one and the coral, I'm not sure how much longer it'll be around. But it did start out initially exclusively at Dillard's. So I'm glad to see it on the IOD site. So let me go ahead and put them both side by side so that you can see the coral and the red together. And I didn't give a close-up, I don't believe, of the red by itself. So let me go ahead and do that with and without the light. And it kind of changes when it gets closer to the camera. So this color here may be, let's see. Trying to look at it without the light altogether. This is probably a truer version of the color, versus when I bring it closer it gets too red. It doesn't look like that. So let me turn the additional lighting off so you can see it's pretty true to color with or without the additional lighting. And this is with the additional lighting back on. Let me see if the coral changes color if I bring it closer. And it actually got lighter. So both very beautiful colors. Also with the red, what did I do? Oh, here it is. the same as well, the wristlet to match. So that was really my main accessory that I wanted for each one of these, because it's so easy to pair it with a wallet to match, or any additional accessories to go with it. So I do have the full coral set, but with the red, I have more flexibility on being able to accessorize it. So, but these are both together, you all, with the wristlets to match. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to let me know if you got anything from this particular collection, in the color, and which color you chose, and which one of these colors would you choose if they do bring them back again. I'm not sure if they're still on the site. If they are, I'm not even sure if they're included in the sale at the moment. They may or may not be, so you would have to definitely check it out to see. But let me know which one you favor, if you favor the coral more or if you favor the red. Both are gorgeous, and this is, of course, a gorgeous bag in the Tasha drawstring bag. So I hope you all like this video. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, subscribing, commenting. I really do appreciate it. I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. And as always, have a very wonderful day.